Hello everyone, welcome. This is Mike Ty, the MELBA project manager. Wanted to create a quick video to show you how you can navigate and access PPE, sanitation and cleaning supplies through the MELBA platform through the vendors. So once you log in, it's going to take you to the landing screen. You're just going to want to navigate to the saving money category. So we're going to click on that. It's going to bring you to this page here that kind of gives you an overview of the categories you then can select. I'm going to recommend we go to Getting Started. So we're going to select that. And then I just want to highlight this personalized assistance area down here with Andrea. So Andrea's job is really just to listen to your needs and connect you with the correct vendor that we put together here for you. So you can call her toll-free. The number is 844-346-3746. Or you can email her at her email address located right here. So that's the first one, and that way she can hear your needs and then connect you with the correct vendor that will meet your needs. The other way, you can just go to All Savings Program category and navigate to the bottom where it says My Savings Portal. And that's going to open up the snapshot, almost coupon looking thing here, which has kind of all the vendors in a really quick, easy to navigate place. So there's 5 vendors that are providing some forms of PPE, sanitation, cleaning supplies, those things. Those vendors are Food and Supply Source, Discount School Supplies, Staples, Office Depot, Ace Hardware, and Kaplan. So many of those are all found right here on this screen. And I'm just going to highlight one that you can readily go to very easily to access those. So that's going to be Discount School Supplies down here. So we're going to select that. It's going to give me the discount in 2 easy steps. I'm going to navigate to Discount School Supplies, and then when I'm checking out, I need to put the promotional code that's listed here. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate there. It's going to open up a new tab. You'll see at the top here their categories, so I'm just going to click on the PPE COVID category. That's going to take me to their page that has everything COVID prevention, social distance learning, etc., where you can then find those supplies you are looking for. So just a quick little overview. Many vendors on there that can have your needs met with those PPE and sanitation equipment. Feel free to contact me. My email address is just melba@ecicforkids.org. Thanks, hope this has been helpful.